नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, Acharyas, Balasans, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us in Anandavana and all over the world through two-way video conferencing in Sadhana TV, Nityananda TV, and two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing. Ohio Adinam, Los Angeles Adinam, Kuala Lumpur Adinam, Vancouver, Seattle Adinam, Chennai Thiruvanmiyur, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Oklahoma Adinam, San Jose Adinam, Mukta Seattle, Oman Adinam, Dubai Adinam, Hosur Adinam, Bangalore North, Grasse France, North San Antonio Texas, Houston Adinam, Singapore Adinam, Bidadi, London Southwest, Hyderabad Gupta Kashi, and I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Some more cities are joining like Mill Valley, Kulim, Malaysia. So many more cities are joining. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. And I am telling you really, literally this place is love current of Mahadeva. It is literally love current of Mahadeva. Mahadeva's love current can come down to any lowest need of your life. Like Vandi in Madurai did not have a labor to do her job. She did not have a coolie. Mahadeva comes down as a coolie. It can be as simple as being a coolie, not having a coolie, or as important as trying to know the meaning of the Vedas. The rishis are little deluded, confused, did not know the meaning of the Vedas. He comes down immediately as Dakshinamurti. Old lady did not get a coolie to do her job. She did not have a labor to do her job. Immediately Mahadeva comes down. Sometimes I wonder how to spell Mahadeva's love current in words. I tell you, it has to be experienced physically in Anandavana, the way he embraces you from all directions. From all 360 directions, how Mahadeva embraces you, that need to be experienced, that need to be lived, that need to be tasted. I tell you, don't even take my words for granted. Don't even think I am repeating the same. Please understand, if I am repeating the same, I am experiencing the same. That is what it means. Be very clear. Don't take my words for granted. Don't think, oh, this is the way. No. Every time the possibility is available. Especially if you have not tasted Anandavana last time, don't even think of missing it. If you have tasted, I don't need to invite you. Varanasi is powerful enough. Kashi Devi is powerful enough to invite you. She is powerful enough to bring you back. If you have not tasted, don't even think of missing it. Even my body feels so well. Understand? The kind of a wellness I feel From the moment I entered, see, actually in the flight I was just closing the eyes and resting in samadhi. I can see like a huge light beam, that very border of Varanasi, the boundary of Varanasi was like a huge light shaft. When the flight entered into that shaft, I just know I am in the field of Mahadeva. See here, Mahadeva is not just Vishwanatha, all gods put together. As I said, there is only one God is stupidity. That idea, there is only one God, is stupidity. It is stupid theory. It is just autocratic, terroristic, radical mind's invention. That there is only one God. There is only God is the enlightened mind's invention. Not only invention, the reality. Understand? Here, anywhere you see, there is only God. One side you will see so much of orthodoxy and cleanliness. The other side you will see so much of dirt and dead bodies being burnt left and right. But I don't see any conflict between these two in this city. There is no conflict at all. Both coexist so beautifully, so nicely. City of Vishwanatha. Understand? He has allowed, he has accepted, he has imbibed, he made everyone part of himself. That is Mahadeva. Mahadeva, a large welcoming energy in Anandavana. No one goes without food in this city even now. Please understand, anybody enters this city. Kalabhairava is there to protect them. Annapurani is there to feed them. They are all living energies in this city. Not mythological figures, not some technical figures, not some ideological representative idols. No. They are all living energies, much more living than the way you think you live. They are more intense than your very existence. So understand, life started here. Living started here. Life continues to happen here. This city is older than legends, older than the Puranas, older than the stories, older than everything that exists. I can say at least older twice than anything exists or you can imagine. The city Anandavana is older than Ganga itself. Even before Ganga came to planet Earth, landed on planet Earth, the Anandavana existed. Ganga came to have darshan of Anandavana, Kashi, Vishwanatha, because the city is not geographically natural flow of the water. Please understand, if the water flows naturally, Ganga flows naturally, it would have never come to Varanasi. It's a conscious effort to turn, going against the usual geographically defined direction. She touches Vishwanatha, bathes Vishwanatha, worships Vishwanatha, and then continues her journey. So understand, Ganga's journey is so beautiful. Coming from the head of the Bhagavan, Mahadeva, going and washing the feet of the devotee of Mahadeva, Kapil Maharshi. Actually, Ganga comes down to Kapil Maharshi's ashram to wash the ashes of Bhagirath's ancestors and liberate them. So Kapil Maharshi, she goes and washes the feet of Kapil Maharshi, ultimately in the end in Ganga Sagar. That was the Kapil Maharshi's ashram. So understand, from the head of Mahadeva she comes down to wash the feet of a devotee. So the devotion of devotees is so powerful and so important. Sometimes it is revered, worshipped much more than God himself in Vedic tradition. Anyhow, this city which celebrates Ganga, Vishwanatha, Annapurani, Kalabhairava, Dundi Ganesha, Kartikeya, and what not. Almost all the gods. This is city of gods. City of gods. And I can say every pore is pouring bliss out. It is so much inside. It is pouring the bliss out. And especially this time, Mahadeva city and Shivoham process. I don't know what is going to happen. What is going to happen to this city and to all of you? I am really wondering. Because first time I am holding Shivoham process in Shiva's place. See, I went and did Shivoham process in Varanasi for one day. Sorry, Pondicherry one day. 8 earlier installed the Garbhas awakened. See, there was a temple in Pondicherry thousands of years before, where our ashram is at present. The energizing Garbha, which is usually installed under the deity, it just got awakened, 8 of them. And here I don't know how many Garbhas are installed all around. At least I can comfortably say 200 in Varanasi. All these will be awakened. Shiva and his Bhutas, Ganas. God, I don't know what is going to happen. But I know for sure one thing, only good will happen. Mahadeva's energy is auspicious, most auspicious, causeless auspiciousness. Shiva is just He, that's all. Is just He. And so all I can say is, it is going to be at least, the Shivoham process in Varanasi is going to be at least 200 times more intense and more powerful, because when Pondicherry Garbha got awakened, the Shivoham process was at least 8 times more powerful, because the 8 Garbhas were awakened. Here, at least 200 Garbhas are going to be awakened with the Shivoham process, and this process will be at least 200 times more powerful. Understand, not 200%, 200 times more powerful. So literally each one of you are going to become Shiva Gana. Shiva Ganas radiating the Shiva Bodha, the joy of Shiva. I can go on and on and on. But the essence of what I am trying to say, pack your bags as early as possible. Just come and be here and enjoy the Shivoham. That's all it means. That's all it means. Enjoy the love current of Mahadeva. Enjoy the Shivoham process. Enjoy the Shivoham experience. And my blessings, let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Advaita, the Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.